Hey there, welcome to Lantu Ebike YouTube channel. Today, we are thrilled to introduce to you our latest electric motorcycle. This motorcycle boasts a powerful 1500 watts hub motor, capable of cruising at high speeds with ease. It's equipped with a 72-volt 32Ah lead-acid battery, providing a long-lasting and reliable source of power for your adventures. But that's not all. This electric motorcycle also comes with a range of exciting features, including front and rear hydraulic disc brakes for superior stopping power, adjustable suspension for a smooth and comfortable ride. In addition to the powerful motor and large capacity battery, this electric motorcycle also features a state-of-the-art LED display. This display provides you with all the information you need to know about your motorcycle's performance, including speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Plus, the scooter's suspension system ensures that you can ride over bumps and rough terrain without feeling every jolt and bump. This, combined with the plush seat, makes for an incredibly smooth and comfortable ride, even on long journeys. So, if you're looking for an electric scooter that's not only stylish and high performance, but also incredibly comfortable to ride, our electric scooter is the perfect choice for you. Just feel free to contact us.